Hello students, welcome to our channel Success Achievers. Today we are going to solve one question. Let's see. Given that in the steady state the charge on the capacitor 0.2 microfarad capacity is. So we have to calculate the charge on the capacitor of 0.2 microfarad capacitance. So at steady state we can say this capacitor will be as open circuit. Then we'll draw this circuit. We'll see it will be looking like an open circuit, and there is one battery, another resistance 2.8, this is 2 ohm and this is 3 ohm. Then these two are in parallel, so you will get 2 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3, that means 6 by 5 ohm, and 6 by 5 ohm is nothing but 1.2 ohm. Now as there is no current is flowing through this part, this is not required, then total equivalent resistance will become this one and this one are in series, so 2.8 plus 1.2, so 2.8 plus 1.2 you will get 4.0, and this is 6 volt. This is 4.0 ohm, 6 volt. Therefore you will get the current I is equal to V by R, and V is equal to 6, 4, that is 1.5 ampere. So current is 1.5 ampere flowing through the circuit. Now the potential difference across this branch will be V across potential difference across 1.2 ohm resistance, this branch we can say, that is equal to current into resistance. So 1.2 into current is 1.5, then you will get 1.8 volt. Now as there is no current is flowing through this circuit, this branch, we can say the potential difference across this two is same as if I give 1 point. Let's do one thing, draw it another. So this is 1.2 ohm, here capacitance, resistance, battery is there, another resistance, this is 2.8. now this point I am taking A, this point is B, point C. So as there is no current flowing through this A, B, C, no current through A, B, C, therefore at B and C same potential, same voltage you can write, so same potential at both places. That means the potential difference across the capacitor is same as the potential difference across 1.2 ohm resistance. That means potential V across capacitor is equal to, will get, you have seen here 1.8 volt. That means charge will be, charge Q is equal to C into V. So C is how much? 0.2 microfarad multiplied by 1.8 volt. Then you will get 0.36 microcoulomb. Then the charge, net charge is 0.36 microcoulomb. That's your answer. Please see the option. So second option will be your correct answer. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.